विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome devotees. In the series of other important Shivlings in Kashi, in this episode we will see Amriteshwar, Atmavireshwar, Chandishwar and Chaturmukheshwar. Amriteshwar. Importance of Amriteshwar Shivling is mentioned in Kashikand chapter 94. It is narrated that one small boy who was almost dead by snake bite got his life back when his inert body touched the small gooseberry-shaped Amriteshwar Shivling. Kashikand states that devotees who touch and pray Amriteshwar Ling will attain Amratva, that is, victory over death. The Shivling has been described to be so powerful as to prevent untimely death. It is also said that those who pray to Amriteshwar will have no fear of rebirth. Further, in Kashikand chapter 73, Lord Shiva tells goddess Parvati about 14 powerful Shivlings in Kashi which are capable of giving mukti to devotees. Amriteshwar is first among the 14 Shivlings mentioned by Lord Shiva. Amriteshwar is located in Swargodari area beyond Adi Chunchungiri Mutt on the way to Manikarnika. Devotees can travel up to Chowk by rickshaw and walk through gullies. Atmavireshwar. Importance of Atmavireshwar Shivling is mentioned in chapters 82 and 83 of Kashikand. While the detailed narration is given in our book Shivlings of Kashi, as also website varanasitemples.in, we are pleased to narrate the greatness of this ling in brief. Worshipping Atmavireshwar Ling gives punya benefits of worshipping 3 crore Shivlings. If a devotee offers 1 flower to this holy ling, it is equal to offering 1 crore flowers. If a devotee performs 8 Shashtang Namaskars in this temple, it is equal to performing Namaskar at all the temples in the world. This temple comes under Manikarnika Kshetra and also in a powerful Shaktipeeth called Panchamudra Mahapeeth. Any puja done here will yield multiple benefits. If a devotee recites 1 Rudra Gayatri here, it gives punya of reciting 10,000 Gayatris. Regular pujas are done by the temple priests and the special aarti are performed at 8:45 p.m. daily, which is a real treat to watch. The temple is located at Sindhya Ghat and devotees can travel up to Chowk in rickshaw and walk through gullies via Sankata Devi temple, which is a famous landmark. Chandishwar. According to Kashikand chapter 73, Lord Shiva was describing the importance and divine powers of various Shivlings, where he narrated the Shivlings in sets of 14 each. Among the second set of 14 Shivlings, Chandishwar is the 11th ling. A person who worships Chandishwar among the above 14 lings will not have rebirth. These lings are valuable treasures. Let alone worshipping, if a person with all divinity takes the names of these lings, including Chandishwar, he will be saved from all sorts of dangers and worries. Lord Shiva further stated that he will always be present in Chandishwar Ling, and those who worship this deity will attain mukti. A devotee who comes to Avimukta Kshetra, that is Panchakrosha Kashi Kshetra, and worships Chandishwar will definitely attain moksha, and there is no doubt about it. Chandishwar Ling is also mentioned in Ling Puran in chapter 10 of the supplement. According to Ling Puran, there are 6 very important links in Kashi, and Chandishwar is one of them. According to learned Pandits, if a person dies and one lamp called Moksha Deepam is lit with due prayers in the name of the deceased person in front of Chandishwar Ling within 13 days of death, the deceased person will attain moksha. Chandishwar temple is located in cantonment area after Hotel Clarks, JHV Mall, etc. near Chandidevi temple. Devotees can reach this place in any mode of conveyance. Chaturmukheshwar. According to Kashikan chapter 97, Lord Shiva described various shivlings in the holy city of Kashi. In front of Varuna Sangameshwar, devotees can find Chaturmukheshwar Ling, which has been installed by Lord Chaturmukha Brahma. A devotee who worships this ling, also known as Chaturmukha Prayageshwar, will attain Brahmalok after death. The Shivling is also mentioned in Ling Puran, chapter 1 of the supplement. The combination of Shravan Nakshatra, that is Trivonam, plus Dwadashi plus Wednesday is highly auspicious. This Shivling is located in a powerful Shakti Peeth called Keshav Peeth, and any prayers performed here will yield multiple benefits. Chaturmukheshwar is located in front of Varuna Sangameshwar Ling at Adikeshav temple at Rajghat. Devotees can travel up to this place by auto rickshaw or cycle rickshaw or car.